Are you interested in creating stunning and unique images using the power of AI? Look no further than Midjourney's free image generator. In this complete guide, we'll walk you through the basics of generating images using AI and provide you with 8 simple steps to get started. Step 1. Join Midjourney's Discord. To get started with Midjourney's free image generator, head to midjourney.com and select Join the Beta, or head directly to the Midjourney Discord. You will need to have a Discord login to join. Step 2. Find a newbies channel. Once you're in the Discord server, look for a newbies channel where you can generate images with the Midjourney bot. Step 3. Learn basic commands. To interact with the Midjourney bot and generate images, you'll need to use basic commands. Commands are used to create images, change default settings, and perform other helpful tasks. Here's an example command structure: /imagine prompt plus your description plus aspect ratio plus quality plus upscaler. Step 4. Run your first command. Now that you understand the basic command structure, try running your first command. For example, /imagine prompt Bugs Bunny Cyborg AR16:9. The Midjourney bot will take about a minute to generate 4 options. Step 5. Reroll if needed. If you're not satisfied with the initial images generated, click the Reroll button to run a new job and generate a new grid of images based on your original prompt. Step 6. Make variations. To create variations of the upscaled image, click the V1/V2/V3/4 button. This will generate a new grid of 4 options, so you can choose the best variation for your needs. Step 7. Upscale your image. If you want to upscale your image and add more details, click the View or Upscale button. This will generate a larger version of the selected image. Step 8. Save your image. Finally, once you're happy with your image, click on it to open it to full size, and then right-click and choose Save Image. Congratulations! You've just generated your first AI-generated image using Midjourney's free image generator. With practice and experimentation, you'll be creating stunning visuals in no time. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-based content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting and innovative AI insights coming your way. Thanks for watching.